Good morning, students. Welcome to your new class of English. And all of you are ready? Yes, Ashmita is ready. And what are you looking for, Ashmita? Here and there. Okay. Hello. Okay. Very nice. Such a sweet smile. Okay. So let us take your attendance first and let me see. Last. Okay. अपनी room में? Okay. So everyone ready? Now each and everyone take your copy, pencil and eraser. Everyone. Get ready with your copy, pencil and eraser. So first of all, students, you are not going to write anything. You just write down the topic. Okay, the topic is today's, as we were doing, colors, and today I am going to give you some riddles, and whatever I will write on the board, you will write the same, and that is the name of the colors or the things. Okay, so whatever I will write on the board, you will write the same. Understood? Okay, so put the date and your topic, colors. Now let us find out who can answer first. So everyone is ready? Am I audible and visible to all of you properly? Am I audible and visible to all of you properly? If I am audible and visible to all of you, please write down yes. Yes, Asmita has given me the response, and rest of the students. So can I see how many has joined? Yes, Sheikh Hanifa is typing something. Okay, many of us is there. 7. Okay, 6. Huh? 1 hours. Okay, very nice. Now I am going to ask some questions and you are going to answer them after solving them. Okay, so the first riddle, here comes your first riddle. R-I-D-D-L-E, riddle. Okay, so everyone write down. And your first riddle is, I am green but not a leaf. I am green but not a leaf. I copy but I am not a monkey. So what am I? I am a leaf. I am green but not leaf. It is green in color but it is not a leaf. I copy but I am not a monkey. Then what am I? Okay, so let us find out. The first color which we got is green. So everyone, first write down the name of this color. Come on. Anyone who can answer? Yes, Ashmita is typing something. Let's see. Peas. Okay, Priyam has told peas. Shyama Prabhu, I am green but not leaf. I can copy but I am not a monkey. Can anyone tell? Prithviraj is all telling tree. No. Peas is also not correct. Think. Come on, all of you. I am going to give only 1 minute time. Anyone? It is green in color but it is not leaf. It can copy us but it is not a monkey. Chili. Autri is telling chili. No. Chili is also not a correct answer. It can copy. It can copy us but it is not a monkey. No, Prithviraj, it is not grass. It is green in color. It can copy us, but it is not a monkey. Shyama Prabhu has given the answer parrot. Yes, I got the correct answer from Shyama Prabhu. It's parrot. Okay, it is green in color, but it is not leaf. It can copy, but it is not monkey. Okay, very good. So parrot is green in color. Very nice. So let's go for the second question. We are going for the second question. Okay, come on. Now the second question is, I am pink but not common. It is pink in color, but it is not common. I am beautiful but grow in water. So can anyone tell me, who am I? I am pink in color but not common. Yes, I got the answer first from Shyama Prabhu, second from Ashmita. So first of all, let us write down in our copy the second color which we find from our riddle, that is pink color. Pink color, right? And the answers I got from Shyama Prabhu, Ashmita, Sheikh Hanifa, Priyam, Sanstita, and anyone more wants to answer? Yes, it is lotus. Prithviraj also. Very good. It is pink in color. It is our national flower. It is not a common flower. And it grows in water. Yes, very nice. So let's go for the third riddle. Okay. And the third riddle is, I am usually green and brown. I am a house of many birds and give life to man. Who am I? I am usually green and brown. I am the house of many birds. So, I give life to man. Who am I? So, I got first answer again from Shyama Prabhu, and rest of the students also, Hanifa, Ashmita, Priyam, Prithviraj, has given the same answer. Shrestha, Sanstita, anyone more wants to try? Let's see. So here comes one new color, that is brown. So all of you write down B-R-O-W-N, brown. Please write down the spelling of these colors. B-R-O-W-N, brown. Okay. Prithviraj is telling me it's nest. Beta, it's green and brown in color. It is the house of many birds. But in one particular nest, we can find only one bird. But it is telling that I am the house of many birds. Okay. So, I give life to man. Bird's nest cannot give life to man. Right? So, exactly the correct answer is given by Shyama Prabhu first, and the rest of the students who have given the answer tree is the correct answer. Okay, it's the correct answer is tree. It's green and brown in color. It gives us life, and it is the house of many birds. Right. So let's go for the next part. And the fourth riddle. Are you ready, everyone? Okay. So let's go for the fourth one. I can fly without wings and cry without eyes. I can fly without wings and can cry without eyes. I am usually white or black. Can you tell me, who am I? I am usually black or white. So we got the two more colors, that is first white, all of you, W-H-I-T-E, white, and number 5, next comes black, B-L-A-C-K, and I am getting again first answer from Shyama Prabhu, second from Hanifa, third from Ashmita, fourth from Shrestha. and they all are, some more are trying. Let's see. Sanstita is trying. Okay. And anyone more? Very good. Atri. Priyam. Very nice. Anyone more? Okay. Prithviraj is there. Excellent. So, everyone has given the answer cloud. Yes, it is the perfect answer, exact answer. The answer is cloud. I don't have wings. I fly without wings. Right? And cry without eyes. Clouds doesn't have eyes, but they cry. And their crying is known as? Their crying is known as? What is known as? They are crying. Cloud. When clouds cry, we say it is? Very good, Ashmita. Their crying is known as rain. And the clouds, when they cry, we say it's raining. Right? It's raining. Very good. Ashmita, Hanifa, Shrestha, Prithviraj, Priyam, Moyuk, Sanstita, and I didn't find Shyama Prabhu. Where are you? Come on. Very nice. Excellent, beta. Now, let's go for the very good. Now, let's go. Very good, Shubham. Shubham, please send me the answers. Okay, beta? Tathagata has already joined us. Very good. Now, let's go for the fifth riddle. And what is the fifth riddle? And what are the colors we will find in the fifth riddle? Let's find out. I am white when I am dirty. I am white when I am dirty. I am black when I am clean. Who am I? I am white. Please off video. Priyam, will you please disconnect your call and then after again join me? Because everything is proper over here. Okay? I am very much clearly audible and visible to the students, beta. So, will you please disconnect the call and again you join me? Rejoin me. Come on. Okay. Welcome, Shaman Talk. Come on. So, the fifth riddle is, I am white when I am dirty. I am black when I am clean. So, can you tell me who am I? So, who is going to answer? Who am I? When I am dirty, I am white. When I am clean, I am black. So, who is going to answer this question? So, already white and black colors we have done the spelling of white and black. So, let us find out who is going to solve this riddle. Anyone? So, I got the first answer from Hanifa, and let's find out is it correct or not. So, rest of the students are going to try. Let's see. Okay, Ashmita has given the second answer, Srijan third, and let's see. Where is Priyam, Shyama Prabhu? Yes, Priyam, Shyama Prabhu, Siddhartha, very good, welcome. And Atri, yes. So, Siddhartha, I told that I am dirty when I am white. Okay, when it is white, it is dirty. And when it is clean, it is black. Okay, so I'm not getting Tathagata also. When the sky is clean, we are getting it black, beta. When the sky is clean, it is not black. Right? It is clear blue. So, the correct answer is blackboard. Okay. So, blackboard is the correct answer, and all the students who have given blackboard, excellent. Because blackboard, when it is being written, it becomes white when we rub it and it becomes dirty. So, it is dirty when it is white, and when we clean it properly, it is black. Okay. So, let's go for the next one. I am born in ocean. The next one is, I am born, please mute all. So, I am, yes. I am born in ocean and white as snow. So, it is born in ocean and it is white as snow. I bring taste to food. Who am I? I am born in ocean and I am white as snow. I bring taste to food. Who am I? So Shyama Prabhu, Shrestha, Ashmita has given the first three, has given the answer, and let's find out what it is. Tathagato, will you please rectify the spelling, beta? Yes. Next. Anyone more wants to try it? Yes. So I got all the answers, and just Tathagato has done a silly mistake. Otherwise, his answer is also correct. And the answer is salt, which is white in color and just looks like snow. Right? Very nice. So it is white in color and just looks like snow. Now let's go for the next question. The answer salt is the correct answer, and Shyama Prabhu, Shrestha and Ashmita has given the correct answer. I think Hanifa also was there. So let's go for the next one, that is seventh one. I am red, blood pumps through me. It is red in color, blood pumps through me, and I live in your body. Who am I? I am red in color, blood pumps through me, and I live in your body. So the first new name of a color is red. R-E-D. Red. So I am getting lots of answers, and let me see who has given the first answer. That is Shrestha, Hanifa and Ashmita, Shyama Prabhu. Very good. So all of them has given the first answer, that is heart. And Prithviraj, I told I am red in color, blood pumps through me. That means blood is pumping through our heart. Okay, throughout our body. So blood already exists in our riddle, so it cannot be the answer of our riddle, right? It is red in color also, blood is also red in color, but here I have asked, I live in your body. So obviously it is the internal part of our body which is known as heart. It's the internal part of our body. Now let's go for the next one, and the next one is, I am a yellow color fruit without seeds in me. So it's going to be too easy for all my students, but here comes your new color, that is yellow. And I am a yellow color fruit and without having any seed. So many answers I have received. I can see all of them are answering. So just 1 minute, I'm going to check your answers, because you are at the time your attendance is being taken. So you continue with your answers. I will check it out. Okay. So next comes number 9. Next comes number 9. I am being compared or combined with apple. I have a crown on my head. I have a green crown on my head. I am a fruit. Who am I? Okay, I have a green crown on my head. I have been compared or combined with apple. Who am I? I am a fruit. So 2 minutes, students. You just reply your answers. I will be checking it. Just let us take your attendance. Okay, so here comes our previous answer, and the previous answer was I'm a yellow color fruit. I'm a yellow color fruit. Yes. So I got the first answer from Hanifa, that was banana. Shyama Prabhu second and Sanstita third. Very good. Banana was the correct answer, which was yellow color fruit without seed. Now we will go for the next question, where I have a green crown on my head and I am a fruit. But Shyama Prabhu, I told I am a fruit. I am not a vegetable. I am being compared or combined with apple. So here the answer goes wrong for Shyama Prabhu, Ashmita, Priyam, and Shrestha has tried something else, but the spelling is not correct. Shrestha, I don't know what you have tried to say. If it is apple, then also the answer is wrong, and what you have written, I don't know. So please rectify it, beta. Sanstita, everyone has given the answer tomato, but yesterday I have discussed that it was a vegetable, it was red in color, and it was a crown, which was the riddle of your book. Today I have changed it. I told I am having a crown, I am being compared or combined with apple. I am a fruit. I have a crown, green color crown on my head. So shall I tell the answer to all of you? Yes or no? Come on. This is the only one where my students have not replied. Anyone wants to try once more? Okay. So here comes some of the names of the fruits, and Sanstita has given the correct answer first, and it is pineapple. Okay, pineapple is having a green color crown on its head, and it is being compared and combined with the word apple. Okay, okay, very good. So it's pineapple. Very good, Sanstita, and very good, Priyam. Very nice. Priyam is the second one to give the correct answer. So everyone had tried, and trying is most important. Success will come if you will try. Right? So students, with this, today I am going to conclude my class over here, and I will be coming next again with your science class. Till that time, you enjoy your maths class. Bye-bye.